Hello. It's a nice day to have a soldering. So, in this video, I am going to show you how we can soldering SMD components. For example, SMD ICs, SMD capacitor, and SMD resistor. I have my normal soldering tools with normal pins, soldering oil, cleaning tools, and normal solder wire. And the dimension it's here. So let me choose separate my tools to have a better view. And I have soldering tools. I tipped it over, and yeah, okay, I am ready. uh, I put some wiring, solder wire, and at the first I like to solder my tantalum capacitor. And yeah, uh, at the first I open them. Let me tip them over. Wow, what a nice guy. So I like to place my capacitor here, here, or here. Sorry about my PCB because it's a tools. It's a test PCB, and I just made it for this video, so I have to choose a cheaper one, and there is no soldering mask here. So I clean my soldering tools, and at the first I pick my component like that, and I like to put it here, and after that soldering here. At the first I need to have this pad some, yeah. Now the metal layer, a very thin metal layer is placed here, and after that I pick up my component and place my component here. After that, just close my soldering tool here and try like that. Now, yeah, it's connected. Now it's a time for next pad. I just put my soldering wire and just solder it. Yeah, easy. If you like, you can take your component some extra soldering wire, and I press it here because I think it's become have it's it seemed to have a some bad angle, so I just do it for learning. And yeah, it's connected well. It's so hard. No, of course not, it's so easy. And next component, it's my IC. I use Atmega 16L type, and remember that this IC's pin like to, it's a really sensitive way, so be careful about soldering your components, like ICs, that their pins become worse and you have a very problem with them. So my IC's way is this way. So at the first I put my ICs, well, it seems good. Yeah, it seems good. So again I need to put one of the pins with a thin layer of metal. Clean again your soldering tools, and just one of them. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I clean again. You know, I'm really sensitive about my soldering tool. So I prefer to use my hand X. You know, it's really easy. Oh, come on. The thin layer of metal is extra here, so I can put my ISO well on this place, on its place. So it seems good. You know, this pins and this pins is placed really good, and I just make my soldering tools close to the pin, and after that a first connection will be joined. The first connection is so important because your IC, if you put your IC as the wrong way, you have a very problem with your IC at the next. So I need to use my extra precision here, and I just need to close my soldering tools. Yeah, it's connect. Now I can a situation that I can modify my ISO place too. It's not fixed yet. You know, you can see that I can change my ISO place too. Because I uh, place my ISO well, I didn't need any change. Remember, uh, if you change your IC place, your pins will be shifted to the side and you have a bad soldering. So I clean my soldering tools again, and next. Yeah, it's a next. Now my IC is fixed and it didn't move anymore. And it don't move anymore, sorry. Another one. Because there's extra soldering wire is here, I need to clean my soldering tool by oil, and yeah, now I can put the extra soldering wire to my soldering tool and I clean it again for next pins. Let's change it as a bad way, you know, it's really like that. So what is happening here? I have my IC's 3 pins that connect to each other. So I do it uh, to teach you how you can put the put up extra soldering here. So I clean my soldering tool well. Oh, what a smoking! And just put it. One of them become released. Another one. Come on. Because I am going to show you how we can soldering go to worse. But I am not a person to surrounding easily. You can, uh-huh, yeah, it's become good. It seems good, and yeah, sorry for delay. I can soldering other pins too, for example, this way. I connect two pins again, and no problem, it's happening. Okay, it's become good. Uh-huh. I have two pins joined again. Okay, it's released. Another another pins. I am connect all of them together. It seems really crazy, but no problem for SMDs. It's happening. I just do it and I release them. It's no problem here. Just clean my soldering tools very well. Use soldering oil and clean it. Yes. I have my pins cleaned and it's my soldering. Thank you for watching, and I hope it's really be helpful